Many of you may know that I have a staging and design company that really helps our sellers get their houses ready for market in that preparation phase. Well, I wanted to do something a little bit different and share with you how you might think about utilizing our staging and design business if you're not wanting to sell your house. There's 5 ways that we can help. The first is with reality renovations. The second is with interior design. The third is furnishing an existing home. The fourth is with exterior finishes. And the fifth is office design. So let's dive in and see how you might be able to use some of these in your next project. The first is reality renovations. Let me explain what that is. So let's say you're interested in redoing your kitchen or your bathrooms and you just don't know where to start. Well, you can employ our services to help you come up with a professional design for your new space in several different themes of style, like transitional, traditional, coastal, modern, mid-century modern, or even farmhouse style. And what we do is we take your existing space and come up with a plan for you in that space. Let's say you want to update the kitchen cabinets and countertops, paint colors, appliances, etc. We can help you with all of that. And what's really unique about these reality renovation boards is that when you purchase a design board from us with that design style you've chosen for your space, all of the products and materials to complete that renovation are linked. So you can actually click on a product and it takes you to the website where you can buy that product, and it's a really great jumping off point. So like if you have a general contractor that you want to work with, you can actually give that design board directly to your general contractor and they can either use that design board and all those links to create a similar look for you or that exact same look with all of those materials. I'll give you an example of a client that we had recently use our reality renovations. We helped them purchase the property a few years ago, and they were ready to make the home work better for them. And so they chose to redo their kitchen and their primary bathroom, the floors in their house, paint, you name it, they did it. And what was really interesting is that the husband really had a hard time envisioning what the property could be like after the renovations. So these design boards helped him understand the full concept of what the house could look like whenever it was all said and done. So again, everything was linked and they were able to use those design boards as a jumping off point with their contractor. Of course, you can make little tweaks here and there along the way for different products or materials that you might like better, but it gives you a great idea of what the design could be like in a cohesive way that is done by our in-house design team. The second is with interior design. Let's say you're interested in revamping the look of your house, either a certain room or the whole house in general with furniture or accessories. We can help you with that too. Whether it's the kitchen nook, the dining room, the bedroom, the kitchen, the foyer, the office, or the den, we can help you with those spaces. So this is also unique where all of the products that we provide on that design board are linked. So you can actually purchase those directly from those links, or you can use that as inspiration whenever you are out shopping to find some items similar, and we'll help you with the dimensions, the floor plan, the layout of the furniture in the space. We can help consult on paint colors as well. So that entire design is done by our in-house design team, and you get the design boards to use and when you're out shopping or to recreate that exact look the way that it was designed. We also have accessory boards. So you may just be wanting to update a few pieces in your home like art or accessories for a bookshelf, etc. We can help you with that too. The third way that you might think about using our services is, let's say you just moved into a new home and you need help furnishing your space. Or maybe you just graduated from college and you are getting your first apartment and have nothing to start with. You're starting from scratch. We can help you come up with a design and select furnishings for your new space. Did you know that we also have contracts with local dealers where we can actually get you better pricing than retail pricing? So make sure to contact us or think about us whenever you have a need either for accessories or full-blown furnishings, beds, couches, coffee tables, end tables, you name it, we can get it for you. The fourth way is with exteriors. So if you are thinking about making an update to your home, let's say it's time to get a new roof or something like that, we can actually help you consult on what shingle color, what trim colors, front door colors, even lighting such as carriage lights outside of your garage, or even stone walkway up to your house. We have exterior design boards that we can help you with as well. And last but not least, we can help you with office design. We just completed a project for a client who moved into a new office space. It was 1,600 square feet of completely blank space, and we did it all, from picking out the desks to bookcases to storage, refrigerator, conference table, a kitchenette area. All of that we were able to do for them. We also did a consultation for the exact kind of design that they were looking for, what kind of feel. We started a Pinterest board for inspiration. And then we put together design boards, and we were able to then take those design boards and completely install everything that the customer wanted to purchase. So now they're able to operate in a beautiful new space in their new office space. So also we did some art installations. We actually made some art for this space, so we can do it from start to finish, whatever your office space needs are. So I hope that this helps you learn a little bit more about how you can employ our services to help you in your next project. Thanks for watching.